Alex with ROQ US, and today I'm going to show you guys how to uncover and reapply your pallet tape. Start by lining it up. I want to make sure that my roll is flush with the edge of my pallet right here. Use my forearms. I want to use about a palm worth or a couple inches down here to stick it to the pallet. That way I can roll it back. Then I want to find a tension point here, and I want to cut from that tension point. That way I get a clean tear off on the other side. I want to stick this down on this side just so that when I lean forward over the pallet, the adhesive doesn't adhere to my shirt. It's really important to do this properly so that you have no air bubbles on your pallet. Pull that back up. Cut inward at a very nice angle here. Same thing on the other side. Then what I want to do is use my entire hand to really get this whole corner down, make it nice and flush, as you can see there. Take my thumbs, go from the middle of my pallet outward, then go underneath from the middle of the pallet outward. Tear away these strips. Create a pull tab here on the end, and I want to leave a little bit of an exposed adhesive here. That way I can actually stick it to the bottom edge of the pallet. So now I'm going to uncover my pallet, and the reasoning for that pull tab down in the back is so that you can easily uncover your pallet, thus making it easier to reapply and making it more efficient and quicker. So you grab that pull tab. You can easily remove your pallet tape.